Here we are. We have arrived at the Premier Inn. Going to stay here tonight. We'll let you know what it's like. Do the room review as always. Please do subscribe to our channel if you're new. Give us a like if you like the video, you like the reviews that we're doing. And if you want to buy us a coffee or something like that, it's the thanks button down the bottom. Thanks for watching. Let's get inside. As always, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and if you fancy buying us a coffee, a beer or a glass of wine, just click the thanks button below. Thanks for watching. We have arrived at a Premier Inn, Saffron Walden in Cambridge to stay for the night. Doing some visiting, so we thought we would do a quick review of the Premier Inn room. We did one of the Travelodge in Gatwick Airport, not Gatwick Airport, Glasgow Airport. Do have a look if you missed that one. So let's see the differences. Sarah, do you want to show us around the room?
Yes. Right, so as you come in the room, you've got a key card, and that opens the doors in between leading up to your room and your door. And just by the door, you put your card in, a bit like on a cruise ship.
Oh, for the energy thing.
For your lights to work.
Yeah, so energy savers, so they're not on when you're not in the room.
Yeah.
Got it. Good, good.
There's some nice coat hooks here to the left.
Our coats.
3 hooks. And a lovely mirror.
Mirror.
And hairdryer. So if you want to dry your hair.
Oh, good. I'll be all right tonight then.
So yeah, Shaun, that's for you. Wardrobe. No. Is that a wardrobe or is that a mirror?
No, it's a mirror with.
Oh, it's a mirror.
And it's got.
Yeah, it is a wardrobe, but it doesn't open.
No, you have to get it from that side, kind of thing.
About 5 hangers and a towel on the bottom. And up here is spare pillows.
Lovely. Now we had that in the Travelodge, spare pillow, didn't we?
Yeah, 2 spare pillows. We didn't use them.
No.
But they're there if you need them. Obviously the bed, so we've chosen a double bed room. And
can't say what it's like yet, can we?
Either side of the bed is a socket with a USB charger point and light switches for your lights. That's on both sides, so that's pretty good. You've got a little space to put your drink.
Now to me, I mean, we've only just arrived, it seems a lot more modern than the Travelodge we were in Glasgow.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot more modern. It's lighter as well.
Even just from walking in from the front door, it just felt nicer, didn't it?
The reception, yeah.
Yeah.
Shall we have a look at the toilet?
You can do, but first of all, there's a telly opposite bed here.
Yeah.
Dressing table with another light, more sockets, and another USB. In fact, there's another single one here and a double one there. Single one's got the kettle.
Can't have too many USBs.
And
or
you've got
sockets.
tea and coffee and sugar and stuff.
All
and
provided and included.
And there's a nice relaxing chair as well to sit in.
Are you going to be doing relaxing?
Well, we might not be in here that much. We're in here for one night, aren't we? So and then off to the bathroom. With another towel, so you get 2 towels and a hand towel and a bath mat. Toilet, as you would expect, and a sink with soap, a supply soap.
No, I've not been in yet. Is it a bath or a shower? Oh, it's a shower. Yep, yep.
So it's not a shower.
Well, pretend,
with a
pretend you're showering so we can get a good feel of. crazy.
Small showers, like for like rinsing your hair or whatever, and a big.
The rain one, is it
rain
called?
full-ish one. But yeah, it looks nice.
Brilliant.
I think that's about it.
I think that's about it. Maybe we'll pick it up in the morning and let you know what it was like, if it's how comfortable it is. But yeah, I'm pretty happy here so far.
Yeah, no, it's really nice.
Okay, thanks for the tour.